Hello! Video about opening and closing the door lock of Volkswagen Touareg 2012 using LISHI 2-in-1 HU66 of the second generation. It's the check of the operation with picking-decoder LISHI 2-in-1 HU66 of the second generation to open one of the difficult locks of Volkswagen Touareg 2012. Opening the lock. In 1 minute, the lock is open. Let's close the lock. This lock is closed also after about 1 minute. The conclusion is the picking-decoder LISHI 2-in-1 HU66 of the second generation is an inexpensive, compact and reliable tool suitable for quick opening and closing locks of Volkswagen Touareg 2012. Thanks for watching.